day of May 2024 over the illegal withholding of local government funds by the River State government. Gentlemen of the press, it has come to the notice of our Association of Local Governments of Nigeria, ALGON River State Chapter, that the River State government, under the leadership of His Excellency, Siminalayi Fubara, GSS-RS, has neglected, failed, and deliberately refused to hold the statutory Joint Account Allocation Committee meeting, JAAC, which is a prerequisite for the release and disbursement of funds due to the local government in the state joint local government account, and has continued to withhold the statutory allocation due to the 23 local government councils of River State since the month of April 2024, and in the case of Emohua since March 2024 till date for no just cause, thereby serving the third tier of government of the funds required to discharge its statutory functions in the administration of the local government areas. It has also come to our notice that the governor of River State held a meeting with heads of local government administrations, head of personnel and other directors on Monday, the 6th day of May 2024 in Government House, Port Harcourt, whereat he directed them to go and compile for presentation to him of the salary vouchers and overheads of civil servants, excluding chairmen, vice chairmen, councillors, and other political office holders for the various local governments, with a view to unlawfully dipping his hands into local government funds to pay staff salary directly without involvement of the democratically elected local government council chairman. In other words, the governor of River State is seeking to prescribe the system of local government by democratically elected local government councils, which is guaranteed under Section 7 of the 1999 Constitution as amended. This action is tantamount to an illegal proscription of the local government councils by a governor who has recently announced that the members of the River State House of Assembly are non-existent and exist merely at his convenience and mercy. These are clear signs that River State is on the verge of being plunged into the dark ages of totalitarianism and autocratic rule under His Excellency Siminalayi Fubara. This conduct of the River State government, which smacks of executive high-handedness and lawlessness, is not only despicable and unconscionable in a democratic setting, but is also unconstitutional, given the clear provisions of Section 367 and 162 of 1999 Constitution as amended, which not only guarantees the system of local government by democratically elected local government councils across the Federation of Nigeria, including River State, but which also vests the local government councils with the right to receive statutory allocation from the Federation account paid through the state joint allocation account. We are aware that as far back as the year 2004, the Supreme Court of Nigeria had determined in its landmark judgment in the case of Attorney General of Lagos State versus Attorney General of the Federation 2004, LPELR 10SC 118, that the withholding of local government statutory allocation is wrongful and unconstitutional, and that the 1999 Constitution, as amended, has vested any power or on the president or the state governor to withhold local government funds for any reason whatsoever. It is worrisome that the governor of River State, who took the oath of office and swore to uphold the law and constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, will stoop so low as to resort to such undemocratic and unconstitutional means to strangulate the third tier of government with a view to achieving personal political ends, and without minding the dire consequences which his action portends not only for the system of local government administration in River State, but also for the welfare of the local government employees and the good people of River State who live in the various local government areas and deserve the dividends of democracy. It is even more worrisome to note that the governor of River State took the decision to withhold the statutory allocation in this case in flagrant violation of the subsisting interim order of the Federal Court, Honorable Justice J.K. Omotosho, entered in suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/537/2004 on the 25th day of April 2024, which mandated all the parties to the suit, including River State government, who is the seventh defendant therein, to maintain the status quo and not to take any steps that will render the pending motion for interlocutory injunction before the court nugatory. In other words, the governor of River State is not only willing to treat with levity his sworn oath of office to uphold the law and constitution, but is also determined to denigrate the sanctity of the authority of the judicial arm of government by flouting and disobeying court orders at will. This is rather disturbing and most unfortunate, not only because it portends grave dangers for a nascent democratic experiment, but also because it imperils the life and welfare of Rivers people. The governor of River State needs to be reminded that the Federal Republic of Nigeria operates a constitutional democracy founded on the principles of the rule of law and not the rule of the mighty. The governor needs to be reminded that withholding the statutory allocation of local government councils in River State will make it impossible for the salaries and emoluments of local government employees, including primary health workers, to be paid as at when due. The governor must know without withholding local government allocation will handicap the local government councils and prevent them from discharging their primary responsibilities of local government administration at the grassroots, which includes welfare of the people in the areas of sanitation, security, and public health sectors. We therefore call on the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and the federal government to intervene by calling the governor of River State to order with a view to avoiding breakdown of law and order in River State. We call on the honorable members of the River State House of Assembly to take appropriate steps to check the excesses of the governor of River State and ensure the survival and sustenance of democratic institutions in River State. We call on all well-meaning Rivers people and Nigerians in general to join in condemning the unlawful withholding of local government funds by River State government as undemocratic, unconstitutional, and retrogressive. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria, long live the River State of Nigeria, long live the local governments of River State of Nigeria. We thank you, gentlemen of the 4th Estate of the Rim, for your attention and patience. Signed by the 21 local government chairmen of River State.
Mayor, you may need to read out
Signed by Honorable Allwell Ihunda, the chairman of ALGON, River State chapter, and the mayor of Port Harcourt City local government. Honorable George T. Ariolo, deputy chairman of ALGON, River State, and chairman of Port Harcourt local government. Honorable Baradomati Olo, secretary of ALGON, River State, the chairman of Enemy local government. Chief Honorable Erastus Awotu, PhD, legal advisor of ALGON, River State, chairman, Andoni local government. Honorable Vincent Nemebuka Esquire, publicity secretary, ALGON, River State, and the chairman of Obubolo local government. Honorable Roland Sekebo, PhD, treasurer, ALGON, River State, chairman, Akukotoro local government. Honorable Confidence Deko, the welfare secretary of ALGON, River State. Honorable Chidi Lloyd, PhD, chairman, Emoha local government. Chairman, Ikoro local government. Honorable Benjamin Israel Eke, chairman, Ahuda East local government. Honorable Hope Kriko, PhD, chairman, Ahuda West local government. Honorable Akoro Tobi, chairman of Peka local government area. Honorable Christian Waiwu, chairman, Omoma LGA area, local government area. Honorable Daniel Enanapola, chairman, Abuda local government area. Honorable George Oningofori, chairman, Asaretoro local government area. Honorable Michael John Williams, chairman, Degema local government area. Honorable Obin Nayamu, chairman, Eche local government area. Honorable Vincent Joe, chairman, Oboibo Mandoni local government area. Honorable Kechuku Akara Wogu, chairman, Oibo local government area. And Honorable Mbakone Friday Obe, chairman, Thai local government area, all in River State. Thank you and God bless us.
Okay. All right. Good afternoon, sir.
No.
Just go ahead. Okay. My name is David Siminalayi. I want to ask this. I work for Vanguard newspapers. We want to find out to what extent has the withholding of your revenue and allocation affected the delivery of your constitutional responsibilities in the West. Then the tale of it, sir. Yesterday we got a call from APC calling for immediate commencement of the impeachment of the governor. And now you are saying that you are calling on the same assembly to start a process to take necessary action to checkmate the excesses of the governor. What is the difference between your call now and the call of APC yesterday? Are they the same?
Okay. Yes. First, the negative impact of the non-release of local government funds to the local government is clear. First, salaries of local government, both the workers and political office holders and appointees, have not been paid for the month of April. And of course, you know that when salaries are not paid, the workers and of course all the people affected cannot feed their families, cannot pay hospital bills. Those that their rents are due cannot even pay their rents. So it has an adverse negative impact on the people. And most importantly, our security votes are not released. These are what we use to protect the place. So it has an adverse effect on us. Then on the issue of the call by the Speaker and the State House of Assembly, by the APC people, yes, if the governor has refused to live up to his expectation, then it's expected that some drastic measures should be taken against the governor of the state, that should be called to order, and that is what APC is actually doing. Okay, because APC as an opposition party to the ruling party in the state, which is the PDP, their duty is to checkmate the activities and excesses